it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Gotta Go Flamingo from Moose Toys, part of their Little Live Pets line. Saw this at New York Toy Fair, fell in love with it. Now it's out in stores, and I'm telling you this right now, it's going to be the hottest toy of Christmas. So let's get started. Comes with a flamingo named Sherbert. She repeats what you say, like she'll record what you say and talk back. But the funniest part is that you're going to feed her her yummy food. She's going to eat it. And then she's going to tell you when she has to go to the bathroom. You're going to fill this up with water. She's going to poop. And then you could keep feeding her again and again because it's like a really, really special sand that comes out of her that doesn't get wet. Let's get it out of the box. Make sure you fill the water up to the fill line. What a great toilet. It's like perfect. This is Sherbert. She is the flamingo. This is her little button right here. This is the try me button, but that's also going to activate her. Take her off try me mode and put her in on. She says a lot of funny things, but she also repeats what you say. She's always listening. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. She has really, really squishy, stretchy legs. You can remove her from the toilet, which makes her a lot of fun, so kids can walk around and play with her. Here's her food. Wow. All of her poops in there, and it is not wet, believe it or not, but the water is wet. That's the magic of it. So when you pick it up, it becomes granulated again. Let's drain it off. There's virtually no sand in there, and all of the sand is dry. How cool is that? Of the Gotta Go Flamingo. I think this is going to be a hit for sure. I love the fact that we can keep reusing the water, keep reusing the food. It has everything that you need for a fun play experience. It also comes with temporary batteries, so make sure you do change them. They take 3 AA batteries, so just keep that on hand because it's going to be used a lot. This is a really, really fun toy. The basics of it, it's just a removable doll that poops. You feed it and it poops. It is so much fun, and I love the realistic toilet. All of the elements of this toy are just so much fun. Kids are going to love this. I think parents are going to love this too, just by the mere fact that they could just keep replaying with it over and over and over again. You don't have to keep getting them water. Give them a bowl. Give them the sand. It's super easy. Teach them once, and they'll be on their ways to playtime. It's super fun. Just got to watch out for those toddlers though. I'm really nervous about my little 3-year-old who is going to go nuts for this. Sorry, Sherbert. Doing one last poop before I put her away, just to get all of that food out. Poor thing, she must have Taco Bell. I could have drained this better, and I will after the video, but I just wanted to show you that I got this jar from Dollar Tree, and you could just easily store this in there, take out all the water, and then you can just continually play. The cool thing about this is that we could also wash this out. Everything is contained. I mean, I know it's a lot. However, kids are going to love it. And I think you're going to love this concept too. Let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure you turn her off so you could store her. Again, I'm going to have shopping links in my description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video and subscribe for more unboxing videos. I have great gift guides coming. You can check out my blog now at playliverepeat.com, where I have lots of gift guides. Just click on the gift guide link, and I have awesome products with shopping links, where to buy, and how to get them for the best price. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh.